Detox to me is the missing link in Western nutrition, and it's a beginning place to start to rebuild and energize our health. Well, why is detox so important? Back 40 years ago, I got inspired to do a 10-day juice cleanse. And how I was feeling before and how I was feeling after were like two different worlds. My allergies that I had for 20 years almost daily, the sluggishness I had in my body, my weight, all that started to shift. By the day 3, I was starting to feel healthy and alive and vital. By the end of the 10 days, I let go of 20 pounds. I didn't have my allergies anymore. I had an energy and vitality. I had better sleep. And so I said, wow, this is how I want to feel. This should be part of healthcare. This should be part of what medicine people really use. This makes a difference in my health, and I've seen it in thousands of people over the last 30 to 40 years that it makes a difference in their health.